case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a 1935 court battle, Herndon vs. Georgia, heard by the Supreme Court of the United States, a Georgia resident challenged his conviction for inciting insurrection through violent acts. The man's argument rested on the allegation that the statute used for his conviction violated his rights under the 14th Amendment's Due Process Clause. However, this case highlighted an essential legal nuance. If you wish to challenge a statute on the grounds of federal constitutionality, it must be presented promptly and correctly preserved for it to hold any sway in the court's decision. Circumventing the compelling intricacies of federal and state intersectionality, the lower court did not raise or decide on this federal question during its proceedings. Similarly, the state Supreme Court also observed that the man failed to raise the federal issue at the earliest instance, strictly adhering to a largely procedural analysis to maintain the integrity of the state law. After nearly a year, the state Supreme Court's judgment was rendered. Up against an unperturbed judiciary that refused to cross-examine the statute's constitutionality, the Supreme Court found itself in a jurisdictional knot. Hence, the Supreme Court upheld the lower court's decision, unable to review the constitutionality of the contested Georgia statute, also because of the flawed timing and preservation of the federal questioning. Ultimately, the appeal was dismissed due to lack of jurisdiction. The Supreme Court held that the federal issue was not presented at the first opportunity, nor was it raised or decided upon in the lower court. Quick and accurately preserved challenges seem to be the keys to a fair hearing in court, a lesson taught by Herndon v. Georgia.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsc.law, elevate your mind, leave the stress of class.